Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can set up an G Suite Gmail alias in 2020, alright? So to do this, just make sure that you're logged into your Google admin. You can go to admin.google.com or just go to Google search and search for Google admin, like so, and log in right here, okay? So after that, we're gonna go and click on users. Click on your user. Okay, now click on user information and go down to this one, alias. Click on this edit icon. And now we're gonna click right here to create a new alias. So I'm gonna name this Andreas. And we get this one, at waatz.se. Okay, that means if somebody sends to this email, that means this email will come to the main inbox, which is info@waatz.se. Okay, after that just click on save, like so. So now you see your alias right here, Andreas@waatz.se. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is how you can create a G Suite Gmail alias in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.